and Greenville counties.
And both of those fires are still at 0% containment tonight. Fox Carolina's Enrique Salinas is joining us live from Pickens County now with an update. Enrique?
It is very busy here, as I mentioned, and this parking lot, and as you can see, there are a lot of people from the county to Pickens, Greenville, from the state and out of state. And also, I want you to take a look at this mountain over here. You can see the smoke, and we've been spotting some flames, and the wind, the smoke, the haze, everything is coming together here. But I want to go in details. I want to go in depth about what's going on here at the Table Rock Complex. So we're going to take a class with Madeline. Maybe we can call it Table Rock Complex 101. Tell us about what's going on. Here we have on the right side in red, because it's fire. Those are the things that we are fighting right now. So explain to me what's going on right now with every one of those.
Yeah, so these three things, fuel, weather, topography, are what we call the fire behavior triangle. All of those things combine together and create what we're seeing now as extreme fire weather. So people may have noticed increased smoke yesterday and today. We're also seeing chances for fire spotting and other types of extreme fire behavior. So what goes into that is fuel. The fuel on the ground, or vegetative material, that's limbs, branches, trees, leaves, all of that kind of stuff, is very dry right now. We've had dry conditions around. People might say, well, it rained the other day. Yeah, sure. But given the other conditions, that did not dampen the fuels enough. They are still very dry, and we have increased fuels due to Hurricane Helene. There's a ton of downed trees, especially deep in the forest. It's hard to get to those areas right now. We also have the weather. It's dry, very low relative humidity, and also it's very windy. We're seeing gusting winds, high winds, which adds to that fire behavior triangle. Lastly, we have topography, which impacts how fire behaves. So fire travels uphill faster than it travels downhill or across flat land, and with these mountains, it's traveling up the hills very fast. Also, with the terrain, it's hard for the crews to get back there.
Now, tell me about the left side. These are the resources that we have.
So the resources that we have, we're fighting this fire from every angle, from the ground and from the air. So people may have seen scooper planes or helicopters dropping water, or even fire retardant we started doing yesterday. But we have water resources like lakes and other sources for water for those Bambi buckets to pick up and drop on the flames. We also have tools. So we have bulldozers, which is how we contain fires. But in the areas where bulldozers can't get, that's pretty common up here in the mountains. So we have very skilled hand crews who go back there and construct those fire breaks by hand. It's back-breaking work, and we are so thankful for them. We're also, like I said, fighting this fire from the air with helicopters and planes. People, we have so many cooperators. I'm sure it's well over a dozen at this point from all around the state. Of course, our counties that we're in right now, Pickens and Greenville, but also around the country.
Thank you so much, Madeline. That kind of opened my eyes about what's taking place here. In Pickens County, I'm Enrique Salinas. I'm going to send it back to you.
All right, Enrique, thank you. And we know hundreds of people all across our area are being affected by these wildfires.